The beginning of digital forms of money denoted a progressive time in the realm of money. The flexible scope of digital forms of money offered a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The famous digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Wave, Litecoin, and so forth had their own advantage trend to advance. Nonetheless, they're actually prowled a test of openness, straightforwardness, and colossal exchange expenses. Allow us to have a fast look at the ongoing cost and subtleties of BCH and comprehend the Bitcoin money cost expectation for what's in store. This was properly tended to by Bitcoin money's introduction to the world, represented by BCH in mid-2017 by a gathering of engineers. They understood that the immense capability of Bitcoin could be additionally saddled ideally through a hard fork, subsequently expanding the block size limit. So on August 1, 2017, BCH has started its life. Uniting patterns point towards the way that there is potential for Bitcoin money expectation and show it might go on an uplifting perspective. This incorporates both least cost and most extreme cost. As per estimated Bitcoin money cost, it is by all accounts showing a vertical pattern. The bulls will push the cost up like other crypto monsters as well. It's uplifting news for its financial backers. According to BCH value expectation, it can generally depend on $515.84 as most extreme cost in 1 year. Bitcoin money conjecture is by all accounts showing negative opinion. It might dishearten its financial backers cruising scarcely at $421.39 as least cost toward 2022 of every 1 year's end. What's to come plans holds more splendid side for Bitcoin money gauge. It may not be an exaggeration to say it would surpass a most exorbitant cost of $2,863.71 in the following 5 years. This implies a triple yearly cost increment every year is a wise speculation resource. A ton of Bitcoin money figure improvements will go in 5 years in the long haul. Nonetheless, its future execution will doubtlessly be connected with Bitcoin's exhibition. Thus, an inside-and-out bullish forecast of $58.91 toward the finish of 2025. Bitcoin money value expectations, 2022 to 2026. The Bitcoin Cash digital currency market is profoundly unpredictable, and significant value changes can occur inside the space of minutes because of variables like guidelines, contests, the rise of new tech, market feelings, and so on. There are a few expectations given by crypto dealers, lovers, or even crypto gauging sites on how Bitcoin money value gauge would act from here on out. However, Bitcoin money needed to put forth a colossal attempt to fork out of its starting point and contend long and hard with its opponent digital currency. It isn't long that it would beat during the year 2022. Bitcoin money cost today is exchanging around $385 with a flowing inventory of 18,958,406.25 BCH. The market capitalization shows a strong $7,322,287,628. Despite the fact that the cryptographic money has endured a few unsettled maneuvers, it makes certain to get back in the saddle, as derived by specialists. All the more critically, the undertaking is doing a ton on the advancement and improvement front, clarifying that Bitcoin money cost won't ever go into blankness. Bitcoin money can exchange on Bitcoin's past triumphs and believability the other cryptographic money world with the likenesses and divided history among the two significant monetary standards. There are hypotheses that the Bitcoin money BCH cost will raise a ruckus around town cost of $1,500 mark toward the finish of 2025, considering the guides it has made. As previously mentioned, Bitcoin money cost being the posterity of BTC, it is said to follow similar impressions and cost activity as well. Assuming Bitcoin cost is going upwards, the BCH value also will profit from that in no time. Numerous specialists prompt that it is smarter to stop your assets in BTC till you accumulate the greatest and afterward redirect it to Bitcoin money cost for momentary additions. With the market being totally flighty, estimating the digital money cost is truly to a greater extent a bet in karma instead of an information-driven estimate. The last year was a distinct advantage for BCH as well as for the majority of the monetary standards, including digital currencies along with fiat. World economy somersaulted definitely considering the pandemic. The equivalent was the situation with Bitcoin money. BCH cost expectation from that point forward has begun floating towards confidence than negativity. Brokers and financial backers have begun wagering on Bitcoin money cost for the drawn-out expectations development following it intently. Consequently, normal cost expectations for BCH remain very reassuring. Bitcoin money value expectation 2022. As per Bitcoin Cash cost expectation 2022, beating the pandemic will assist with doing a great deal for the market opinion of Bitcoin money. Ready for a rise. Bitcoin money cost, as well, will parallelly run with Bitcoin on a similar bullish pattern. However, this is a momentary expectation whether the Bitcoin money value figure will part from the pinnacle, What stays clear is that there's a reason to have some hope without a doubt. In the main, around 50% of the Bitcoin Cash cost expectation 2022 is said to arrive at the base cost of $490 and $545 as most extreme cost in the final part. The BCH value swings will keep on demonstrating a positive pattern and recover $550 mark according to our Bitcoin money cost forecast from January 2022. Right now, Bitcoin Cash value equivalent to $372.08. The ongoing cost of Bitcoin money will transform into $640 in a year's time. However, it relies upon the general opinion for digital currencies throughout the following months. The Bitcoin money cost gauge is refreshed on everyday schedule. Bitcoin money value forecast 2023. Going by concentrating on present moment and long-haul BCH cost drifts, the coin's cost has been straying from its way ordinarily every several years. In the principal half of 2023, the Bitcoin money cost forecast 2023 is said to arrive at the base cost of $590 and $630 as most extreme cost in the final part. Soon, possible, the finish of 2022 or the start of the year 2023 may not be completely ideal for heightened, particularly with rivals making up for lost time intensity or markets messing around. As indicated by Bitcoin money cost forecast 2023, there is an anticipated possibility of Bitcoin money causing a slight misfortune. Yet at the year end of 2023, BCH cost will recover its lost force and crosses $640 mark. Bitcoin money value expectation 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance in that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Bitcoin money will manage the crypto market with an exhibition of cost fixed around $730 in the long term. In the primary portion of 2024, the Bitcoin money value forecast is said to arrive at the base cost of $680 and $720 as most extreme cost in the final part. Bitcoin money can possibly maintain and reliably fill even in antagonistic circumstances according to our BCH cost forecast. There will be an exceptional change in the Bitcoin money cost gauge when contrasted with the ongoing cost. Bitcoin money value expectation 2025. Assuming the BCH cost goes the distance and mass reception gets number, it is definitely conceivable that Bitcoin money be actually worth 100x more than its until now all-time high in view of our BCH cost forecast. In the principal half of 2025, the Bitcoin money value expectation is said to arrive at the base cost of $796 and $840 as most extreme cost in the last part. That would mean, as per Bitcoin money cost forecast, it would cost $850 in 2025 continuously and, notwithstanding, this sort of hopeful assumption comes from two preconditions. 1. Bitcoin keeps on awe-inspiring assumptions. 2. Markets stay as great as usual. Bitcoin money value forecast 2026. In view of our own exploration and Bitcoin money cost conjecture, BCH cost expectation for the year 2026 is $905 in the following 5 years, very much like negative cycle. BCH conjecture helps in effective money management with impeccable timing. In the main portion of 2026, the